Okay, so let's take a look at the text function in Google Sheets. So first thing, let's see if I add 3:20 p.m. as one of the time. I want to convert this into AM PM format within time. So notice that when you work with 24-hour time format, you will not see 3:20. Instead, you will see 15:20 or so. So to do that, I can use equals to, then text, and then A2, and then within double quote I will have to use HHMM, right? At the end, simply close the bracket and we get 15:20. So let's say we have this date 2 2 and 2022, right? So if I want to convert this into a proper text formatted function that shows the output something like A3, and then within double quote we have like DD MMM 4 times, then YYYY 4 times, then closing of quote and then hitting enter. You will notice that it will add 2nd February 2022, right? So we managed to do this for time and date. Similarly, I can also do this for currency. Say I have like 151.72. I want to round this off and give it the dollar sign, right? To do that, I can simply use equals to symbol, then text, then A4, right? Then within double quotes I can offer dollar and hash. At the end of this, we managed to close the bracket and I got the round off number to 152 along with dollar sign. So you get the idea how you can use text function to convert your numeric specific set of values for time, date, as well as currency, manipulate them into the format of your choice.